everybody, Miss J 1973, or Jan, my real name. This came a little earlier tonight. It actually came later than I expected, but about 5 o'clock. But it got here safe. This is called it's a radar branded alarm, but it's a vintage Vigilante, new old stock, number 997 fire and burglar alarm. It's from the 1960s. It's really cool. I'd say it's circa late 1960s. And it's got this here on the bottom and here too. It's kind of different because this one here works both ways, and I'll show you. And then I'm going to go into detail on another alarm I have that didn't work, but is very similar. This one does work, by the way. So hold on. It works this way. If I just push this. Then if I pull this out here, this thing here. Okay, sorry about that. I had to put the phone down, but I put that back in there. So anyways, this is pretty cool. So it opens up like this. Now this one had no box with it, unfortunately. So I'm doing this all one-handed. So, hold on. Okay. There's the horn inside. This battery here, I could not, it just wouldn't go in properly. Earlier tonight, I could not install it. This one here worked perfectly. So sometimes they're fussy, unfortunately. So, but that's what it looks like. Oops, sorry about that. Just touch it and it goes off. Just touch that there. So, but it works on two AA batteries, which is really, really cool. So, and I think this is a Delta alarm horn because it's pretty high-pitched. So, but I'm going to close this. And it is a bit, it's got marks on the front and everything. Sorry about that, a little tongue-tied. I'll just latch that there. Hold on. Okay, hold on. Okay, there. So, yeah. So it's got some marks on it. There was no box with it, unfortunately. No instruction manual. But it did come with this here. When I actually put the battery in it, it went off first because this thing, when it was not in it, so it just went eh. So, yeah. So, anyways, but this is the other accessory. This you'd attach to a window or a door. I'm not going to take it out of the package. I'm going to keep it in. But that's pretty cool. And this was the diagram for the batteries. And it looks like C cells, but it's not. It's a AA. Now, I don't know if Radar brand ever made their own batteries. I would not be able to tell you, but it says Radar on there. I don't know if that's for show or if that's just, I don't know. But it's pretty cool. It's really, really cool. And up front here is the Radar logo. It's a bit worn here. Right there. And I like that grill cover. That's really, really cool right here. Now, a couple of months ago, this is what I got. And I'm going to show you the comparison to an alarm that didn't work. It did come with a box. This is the SOS Fire and Burglar Alarm. Again, it's Radar branded. It says Vigilante Fire and Burglar Alarm. And it's model 995. So this is a little earlier. I don't know what these numbers are. I'm still getting used to them. But if you see the comparison, it has this ridgy thing here. It's a little It's a little different. I'll set it beside it. Hold on. So there it is. So they do look similar, except for this goes sideways. That's lengthways. Sorry about that. I'm a little tired tonight. But this one here came with a door attachment already to it. So this is a little older. Now it does not work. There's rust inside. I'll open it up. It's too bad it didn't work. It was pretty cool. Okay, hold on. I'm going to have to put the phone down. Sorry, guys. Okay. But there it is. This would have worked on 2 C-cell batteries, I think. Yeah, C-cells, unfortunately. But it was so rusted. Right there, you can see it. I even tried to set it off with a barbecue lighter and it didn't work. You can see the rust in there, unfortunately. But that is, I don't know what horn that is. It's not delta alarm. It's one of those weird horns, I think. And it is loose, unfortunately. But it's pretty cool. But you can see the similarities to it. They are cool. Side by side. Really, really cool. So, again, this one came with a box. It was pretty beat up. You can see that right there. It's 2D size, not C size. D size. Sorry about that. That's the box that came in. It would have been cool to set that off. But again, these are hit and miss. This one does work, as you heard it. I'm going to do this one more time very quickly. My guess is this would have sounded like this. But they've got similar logos. Very similar. That one's pretty good. That one's not worn. This one here is a little. And it is a used unit. And for being used, it's pretty good. So that's, again, the accessories. This one didn't have any accessory. Well, it doesn't because, again, this would have attached to the top of the door. So, but again, they're very similar. And they're both radar branded. So anyways, take care, guys. And I hope the video posts. And sorry, it is a little later at night and I am tired. But I wanted to get this video out to show the similarities of these two. I wish I could get this set off. But again, it's too rusted inside, as you saw. This one here is pretty good. It's really good. So, we'll take care. And I hope the video posts. And have a good night. Bye now.